How to get free Spotify Premium on your iOS or Android. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to get free Spotify Premium on your iOS or Android, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So when I'm on my Spotify app, basically, I actually have Spotify Premium right now, and the best thing about Spotify Premium is that you don't have to shuffle. You can actually play exactly the songs that you want to play, which is great. You can even actually download the songs as well and listen to them offline. So that is also amazing. So if you want to claim like free Spotify Premium, what you need to do firstly is to go into Google on your phone, and then we need to search for free Spotify Premium. So search for free Spotify Premium. Now we need to scroll down and then we need to click on this search result right here. So I'm just going to click on it and wait for it to load. Perfect. You can see that you can now get Spotify Premium for free for a whole month. And that is great basically. So if you have never tried the premium version of Spotify before, then you are now able to do so, and you can do it for free for a whole month. If you don't cancel Spotify Premium, then it will be like $10 per month after that, I think. I'm not 100% sure, but I think it's like $10 for the regular premium plan. But if you do cancel it before the free trial ends, then you don't have to pay anything. So what we need to do now to claim this offer is to click where it says Get Started. Perfectly. Now you need to log into your Spotify account. If you don't have a Spotify account, then you need to create one basically. So I'm just going to log into my account now, and then I'm going to come back to you. So now I have logged into my Spotify account, and as you can see, I do qualify for the free 1 month Spotify Premium, as you can see in here. If you do qualify it for that, then you will be able to see exactly what I'm seeing right now. It should say like free for 1 month. And yeah, you can also see exactly when the Spotify Premium free trial will end as well. For me, it will be on the 14th of August. So basically what I need to do now is to scroll down, and you can see that you have to add either like a credit card or your PayPal. The reason why you have to add it is because obviously Spotify Premium would want to like charge you after the 1 month free trial has ended. But as I said before, if you do cancel the free Spotify Premium trial before the 1 month has ended, then you will not have to pay anything. So basically you will need to have either a PayPal account, or if you have a credit card or debit card, then just link it right here. And I have actually done this before, so I'm just going to go back to my Spotify account. So yeah, I have actually done this, exactly what I'm showing right now. I have actually done this myself, and I got the free 1 month trial for Spotify. And honestly, like, it's great. I mean, you can see that I can play basically any song that I want. I can take my this playlist, for example, and I can play any song that I want. I don't have to shuffle. I don't have to have any annoying ads whatsoever. I just can play anything I want, and I can even play those songs offline if I download the songs. For example, I can just remove this one right here. I can click on the download button, and you can see that all these songs just got downloaded for me right now. I can go offline, and I can still listen to the songs. So this is exactly how to do so basically. Unfortunately, this is just for 1 month, and I know that you probably want to have Spotify Premium free forever, and I get that, but like there's really no way to get Spotify Premium forever, at least not legally in any kind of way. So unfortunately, this is the best way that you can get free Spotify Premium, and it is for a whole month. So it is a lot of days that you can try Premium, and if you do like it, so why not pay for it? In my opinion, at least, if you can pay for it, why not? It's a great feature to have, basically, in my opinion at least. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, don't forget to leave a like on this video, and please subscribe to my channel, because I'm actually doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.